Hello friends, welcome to Star Education. Today we are here with the first chapter of class 9 Beehive book English, that is the fun they had. It is an interesting chapter that tells us about our future. So let's start with the chapter. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 Way 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." The story is about the book that the Tommy found from his attic. Attic is the place used as a storeroom. The story begins with writing of a diary. Margie started her diary giving the page of the heading 17 May 2157. She wrote that today Tommy found a real book. Tommy was her friend of neighborhood. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all the stories were printed on paper. She continued with telling that it was a very old book. Once her grandfather told her that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him about that book. That means here that Margie's grandfather's grandfather told Margie's grandfather about the book. That once upon a time there was a book which they were used to study. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. Margie continued with telling that it was funny to read the words that stood still in the book. They don't move as the screen they move. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same word on it that it had when they read it the first time. And she continued by telling that when they turned the pages of the book, the words that they read before were the same on the page. They doesn't change. The first time they read the word remains the same. "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When you are through the book, you just throw it away, I guess." Tommy was saying that, I guess, when the books were read, they must be thrown away. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Tommy is saying that our television screen also have some millions of books in it, but they are good and plenty. They wouldn't throw it away. But the real book, he thought to be that the real books were read once and were thrown away. "Same with mine," said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Margie was 11 years old and Tommy was 13 years old. As Tommy was older than Margie, so he has seen many telebooks. Margie has not seen as much as the Tommy has seen. She said, "Where did you find it?" "In my house," he pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Margie asked Tommy, "Where did you find the book?" Tommy, without looking at the place, he pointed his finger because he was busy reading the book. He said, "In the attic." Again, I am telling, attic is a place used as a storeroom. Then Margie asked Tommy, "What's it about?" She asked, "What is the book about?" Tommy replied, "About the school." Margie was scornful. "School? What's there to write about school? I hate school." Margie hated school. So she said scornfully. Scornfully means showing something that is worthless. Speaking like the school is worthless. She said, "I hate school." Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Margie was always hated the school, but now this time she is hating it more than the ever because, see here it is written, because the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Because she was doing worse in her geography test which her mechanical teacher was giving him after every test. Then comes the next para. Also it is written here that her mother shaken her head sorrowfully and sent her for the county inspector. Now what is a county inspector? We will read it in the next para. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. County inspector was a little man with a red face, round little man, and had a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Hope you have understood this line. Margie had hoped he would know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The county inspector prepared her teacher, Maggie's teacher, and bring it again towards the Maggie. Maggie was saying that her teacher was large and black and ugly with a big screen with plenty of lessons on it written there. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. The part of her teacher, mechanical teacher, Margie hated was the slot where she had to put test papers and the homework. Slot is a given space, time or position. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Margie always had to write and submit it in the slot. Her test papers, her homework, she had to submit it in the slot of her mechanical teacher, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. No time means as he was mechanical, computer or a machine, so they doesn't take time to calculate. So guys, we have discussed till our 4th para. From 5th para, we will discuss in our next video. Hope you have understood the chapter till here. Wait for the next video. Thank you. Till then, subscribe my channel. If you liked my video, please like and share it. Thank you.